Everybody is talking about ChatGPT these days, and I'm here to show you how you can use it for your Instagram account. So I work full-time and I want to run a business on the side, so I don't have a lot of time for social media, which is actually a full-time job if you do it properly. But now that we have ChatGPT, we've got a little bit of help. And what I'm planning to do is to build a monthly content planner with ChatGPT, then going to Canva to do my designs. If you are like me and you hate watching 15-16 minute videos for one particular question that you have, I'm here to keep it simple and easy and not waste your time. So I'm starting with ChatGPT. So what I've done here is to say that I want ChatGPT, and I'm on the plus version, so you'll see I've got GPT-4 there at the top. The GPT 3.5 is still free, but you can use that as well. So I'm on the ChatGPT-4, and I said I want to write 30 Instagram posts based on the following business model, and then I give a little bit of a description about the 30-year-old dad wanting to feel young and feel like life is not getting him down, and I'm asking ChatGPT to give me some input. If you've watched any of my previous videos, I'm trying to start a business with my husband for print-on-demand t-shirts. Our target audience is dads, 30 plus, wanting to feel a little bit cool. So I use that in my mind to write a prompt for ChatGPT. So let's see if my prompt is working. It's not a bad start. You're a dad, a rock star, and a superhero all in one. And we've got the perfect tea to match that spirit. Now, full disclaimer, I am not a ChatGPT expert, but the majority of the people out there are also not ChatGPT experts. So I know there are fantastic prompts to write. I don't have time to research every single blog out there to find the perfect prompt. Perhaps not the ideal thing that I'm looking for, but it keeps going. They say age is just a number. Well, we say style is just a T. Get yours today. Ageless cool. Dads who rock. I can do with that. Dads, we know you're working hard. Why not work hard in style? Our teas are perfect for the dad on the go. So disclaimer also here. I work a lot with ChatGPT in my day-to-day job for social media posts. It's a trial and error most days. And for some reason, ChatGPT loves to unleash everything and to showcase everything. So if you haven't seen it in the beginning, when I put the prompt in, I specifically said to ChatGPT, do not use unleash or showcase, because I do not want to hear that. You must remember that you have to edit once you've got all the stuff. I mean, no one's going to stop you if you want to just copy and paste it over. But trust me, it is very easy to spot ChatGPT all over a document. And I've upset my marketing manager quite a few times when she sends the monthly content planner to me, and I just WhatsApp her back and I say, I just see ChatGPT all over here. So take what you can out of it. It's very nice if you have like a writer's block, because you can just get you going. And sometimes I use something 80% like it is. Sometimes I use only 10%, but it just sparks an idea and I think, oh yeah, actually I want to write it this way or that way. You can use it, but it screams ChatGPT. I see ChatGPT didn't include any emojis for me here, which is perhaps not the worst thing in the world, because if you give it a specific prompt that we often end up with, I end up with more emojis than text, so it's a little bit heavy on that side. So now I can actually go and add my emojis. But you can prompt ChatGPT to write emojis. So if I would say, rewrite with emojis, use the above and add emojis. Let's see what it says. There we go. How easy is that? Depending what your business is about, but I would suggest it's really a good thing. Try to add value with every post. I know we are all about having a presence on social media, but sometimes you can do more harm with a consistent presence that adds no value versus posting a little bit less but actually adding value. So I'm looking at this, and perhaps it's okay to start off with, but at some point I need to add some value. So if I can't add value in the text, then the post and the picture that I create should have a lot of value. This thing is still going. I'm going to let it think. Also, depending on your preference, but the majority of marketers start with copy first, and then they create the designs based on the copy. So it's nice if I can use this, and you can literally tell ChatGPT to prompt or to suggest designs to go with this text. So there is a limit to how many words ChatGPT can put in one post. So if I'm on 30 already, it might not be very happy to give me a prompt for every design. So let's maybe use just 5 and see how it works. So I'm going to copy the first 5. And I'm going to tell it, suggest So in that way, if it cuts off, I can just copy it 5 at a time or 10 at a time, but it does cut off at some point. So let's see what it's telling me here. So let's take the first one. You're a dad, a rock star, and a superhero all in one. And we've got the perfect tee to match that spirit. Design idea. Create a triptych style post. I have no idea what triptych style is. I'm gonna have to Google that one. And one image is a close-up of a dad wearing your brand's t-shirt while holding a guitar. Cool. Another is the same dad playing with his kids. And the third is him in superhero pose, okay, complete with a cape made from the brand's t-shirt. That's really actually cool. So triptych. Now I need to find out what is triptych. Triptych style. Oh, okay, so it's just 3 images next to each other. Couldn't I have just said a grid of 3 images? Anyways, you see how you can just go with this. So I've got a pretty good idea of what I want to make with my designs. And check out my video showing you how you can bulk upload on Canva. So if you have 30 pictures and you have text that goes onto the pictures, you can bulk upload for the entire month on Canva, fix your designs here and there, and literally in 5 to 10 minutes, you can have all of your content done. And then there's also a content planner that you can link from Canva to your Instagram if it's a business account. How nifty is that? And I mean, that's literally it in a nutshell. In 5 minutes, if it takes me another 10 minutes, I can keep going with all 30 posts. And then all I'm left with is to make the designs, but I already have an idea of what kind of design. Even if I don't do it exactly, I love the idea of a triptych style, 3 grids next to each other. And in my mind, if I just go to Pixels or Unsplash for free images, type in dad with guitar, dad with kids, dad as superhero, or even better, use AI because that's just amazing, then I can already have the design. That might take me another hour, but literally in a morning I can do the entire month's content and I'm done. I don't have to worry about it for the rest of the month. You also might want to check out my Canva tutorial if you are new to Canva, just to get you orientated and understand how you can make the most beautiful designs that you can think of. Please let me know in the comments if this is useful, and if you have any expert GPT advice to help with the prompting, I will be really grateful, and it might help others who are also doing this. But if this is something that you didn't know and you learned something today, give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and see you next time.